You don't need a graphic designer to look professional. Imagine having an entire branding studio in your browser creating a logo, business cards, social posts, and more, all tailored to you. That's Looka in action. Looka is an AI-powered brand design platform that lets anyone create a full visual identity from logo to branded assets without hiring a graphic designer. Just tell it your business name and style preferences, and Looka instantly generates custom logo designs. Then you can tweak your favorite, build a brand kit, and download everything you need for a cohesive brand launch. But before we dive into the features, let's see what users are saying about it. Looka has a trust score of 4.5 out of 5 with over 14,000 reviews. Here's what users say. Quick response with great results and fantastic for small businesses. But not all feedback is glowing. Some felt the subscription wasn't worth it if you only need one logo, and that support could be hard to reach. So now let's discuss the core features of Looka one by one. So the first thing you'll see on Looka is a super clean interface asking you to enter your company name. That's your starting point. Once you type it and hit continue, you move into a guided setup. Choose logo styles. You'll be shown a grid of different logo designs with various aesthetics. Minimalistic, bold, elegant, techie, you name it. Click the ones that speak to your brand. This helps the AI understand your design preferences, then you get to pick your colors. Next, you'll select a color palette, whether you want sleek black and gold or playful pinks and pastels. Just choose what fits your vibe. You can also skip this if you're unsure. Looka fills in the gaps smartly. Then you can also select symbols, which is totally optional. You can enter keywords like camera, cake, or fitness, and pick from a bunch of suggested icons. The AI uses these to generate relevant logo visuals. So once all done, the AI gets to work within seconds. Looka shows you a full page of generated logos based on the exact inputs you gave, and trust me, some of them are shockingly good. You can click on any logo to tweak it further, resize, swap icons, change layouts, adjust colors or fonts. It's all live and intuitive. All right, that's a wrap on feature number 1, logo creation from scratch. Now let's check out feature number 2, that is customization. So once you have selected a logo you like, maybe from the suggested options tab, you'll see a big bold customize button. Hit that and boom, Looka drops you into its powerful logo editor. So from here, it's like playing logo dress up, but make it professional. So here's what you can tweak step by step. Layout, change the position of your icon and text if you want the symbol above the text or to the left, done in one click. Color, choose from pre-made color themes or go rogue and pick your own shades. This is especially handy if you already have brand colors. Font and name if you want your text bold, italic, lowercase, all caps. Choose from a bunch of modern clean fonts and make your name pop. Symbol, swap out the logo icon for something else entirely. There is a huge library, whether you're in tech, fashion, or florists. Background, easily preview your logo on dark or light backgrounds to see what works best. Slogan and containers, if you want to add a slogan, add it, resize it, and toggle the container like putting a badge or border around your whole logo on or off. And the best part is that all changes are live. You see the updates on the right in real time, no saving or reloading. So that's the end of feature number 2. Now let's move on to feature number 3. Let's say you just finalized your logo. Normally you'd have to manually apply it across all your marketing assets, social media, merch, business cards, websites, and that's pretty exhausting, but not with Looka. So here's how this feature works. Click on Brand Kit at the top. This opens a powerful suite where your logo is automatically embedded into 300 plus assets. That's things like logo files in multiple formats, email signatures, business cards, invoices, social media covers, profile pics, marketing materials, even branded mock-ups for a print shop. Basically, your brand presence is copy-pasted everywhere instantly. It's plug-and-play professional. Then just under the Brand Kit hub, there's a website section. This is where things get even cooler. You're given ready-to-use drafts based on your logo style. All content and visuals are already branded, no coding and design needed. You can tweak the colors, text, and layout using their drag and drop editor. So now not only do you get a logo, but a full-blown site to match it all in minutes. Next time you think I just need a logo, remember Looka gives you the entire digital identity kit in one place. Logo, assets, website, and everything else you need. Now let's see who benefits the most from Looka. Looka is ideal for solo entrepreneurs and startups launching brands on a tight budget, freelancers and creators needing quality branding fast, small teams who want a unified visual identity without the hassle, non-designers, or those without Adobe skills. Looka's UI makes design approachable and fast, but since no tool is perfect, so where could it improve? Some users say the subscription model isn't worth it if you only need a logo, especially if unlimited edits aren't fully clear. Customization tools, while solid, could be deeper, like adding more layout flexibility or custom vector editing. TechRadar calls it good but pricey with limited manual control. Occasionally, support response can have room to improve, according to several users' reports. So here's more good news. Looka has an affiliate program. If you're a creator or influencer, you can earn commission by recommending Looka. However, they don't currently offer a public API, which means you can't yet integrate Looka's logo or asset generation into your own app or workflow. To wrap it all up, Looka blends ease of use, smart AI, and deep branding in one sleek tool. It's fast, intuitive, and gives you everything you need to launch your brand visually in a single session, while some power users may find customization limited. For most entrepreneurs, it's the perfect mix of value and simplicity. If you've ever wished creating a logo and branding didn't feel like rocket science, Looka delivers. So that's the end of today's video. If you found this review helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful reviews. I'll see you in the next video.